You don't necessarily need to have an oven to bake a cake. You can use JIKO, gas stove, or even firewood. Welcome back to yet another amazing video. On today's video, I will take you through how I made this soft, delicious orange cake using JIKO and sand step by step from scratch. So to make this, you will need to have some sand, and we're just going to preheat our oven now. So you need a larger sufuria. Add those sand and make sure the sand covers the base of the sufuria. This will act as our oven, so I need to preheat it for at least 20 minutes. Then I'll cover the sufuria to retain the maximum heat. I have a 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. And I will use some eggs. I will use 3 large eggs. And of course, we are making orange cake, so we have some oranges there. I will start by sifting my flour. This is all-purpose flour, 2 cups. I will add in baking powder and salt, and I'll sift them together. Always remember to sift your flour for a better result, also when you're doing cake. If you are clicking my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. Support my channel, share, like, and subscribe. I'll break eggs one by one separately, then transfer to a different bowl. This is very important to break eggs one by one, so that suppose one is not good, it will not affect the other ones. So on this recipe, I will do it a different way. I will not do like the normal one of creaming sugar and butter. So now I will start with wet ingredients, like I'll whisk the eggs, then I'll add in some sugar. That is a 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it well. Add the vegetable oil. Whisk it until you feel there is no crystal of sugar. Check the description box for the exact ingredient and their measurements. I've listed them in the description box. Watch the video up to the end. So I need some zest, so I will zest some orange peel. I need like 1 teaspoon. And I love the mixture of orange and lemon, so I will zest both orange and lemon. That way I will get a satisfying acidic flavor that I love. Before zesting your peels, ensure you wash your orange. The outer part, normally it's the one being sprayed with the pest control, so make sure you wash it so well. Another thing, when zesting, don't go deep to the white skin. We just need the outer peel, or less we'll end up with a bitter taste. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Kindly support my channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you are new in this channel, kindly consider subscribing if you like this kind of content, and watch the video up to the end. Freshly squeezed orange juice is so amazing and delicious. The acid in it, it's gonna give us the real soft and tender amazing butter, plus the zest that we removed from the peeled. And it also helps the butter to soften the gluten. So if you want a very soft and tender cake, go for orange juice. The acid in it works amazing, and even the flavor is heavenly, I tell you. I will use 2 of these oranges. These are seedless, and you can use any orange of your choice. By the way, take advantage of this orange now that it's on season. So go back and mix. Now you're going to use a spatula, add in orange juice and some lemon juice. I like the combination, and I have an orange flavor, the orange essence flavor. Mix it, then add in your sifted flour. At this point, you can use your spatula or even a wooden mwiko. It will just do well. Just go with it circularly, the way I'm doing. Mix it well as you press the flour against the bowl. We will mix this until all the flour has incorporated, and it will be soft and smooth, just like you're seeing. And no lumps. So my batter is ready. This is the consistency you should have if you're trying to make this. Always when making cake, and if you're following a certain recipe, make sure you follow that recipe to the letter. You will need a baking tray, and grease your baking tray. Or if you don't have a baking tray, you can use your normal sufuria. It will still work. Once you're done with that, sprinkle some flour and shake it a little bit, and if there is any excess flour, shake it out. This one will help the cake not to stick in our pan. So transfer your batter in your greased pan. Scrape everything. I don't like to waste resources. You will heat it down a little. This is to remove the air bubbles. Then take it to your preheated sufuria oven. Place it at the center of the sun. Then cover with a lid. Then again cover with another sufuria on top. This is to make sure that the heat will be well circulated. We'll wait for 1 hour. 1 hour is over. If you want to check if your cake is well done, though it smells heavenly, insert a skewer, and if the skewer comes out dry, that means your cake is well done. It's not sticky. Remove it out of the bigger sufuria and let it sit there in a tin for 5 minutes before transferring it to your cooling rack. Let it cool for some times before cutting it, or if you like it hot, go ahead and snack it. This cake is really amazing. Thank you guys for staying here with me, And thank you for watching my video up to this end. It was nice having you around. Let's see how our cake looks inside. The aroma here is heavenly. Guys, you should try this cake. Look at it. Just try. And if you try, let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And for my new subscribers, thank you. And those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next. Look at how the cake is well done. Bye bye.